Toi whaawheloa I atu ma o whaalofa atu I le swafa Yesu I le paia o Samoa o lo ingoa Naomi Stritton ma o le pulukalame le nei o le COVID series ma lo le soifua ma le langi mama. Watu lea vanoi lau susunga Imoasina e whaawheloa I ai le tātou atu nuu.
Whaftai lava ma le avanoa e le au maua lo sunga Naomi ma le nei pulukalame. Whatalo whaatu le paia ma le mamalu o tātou atu nuu o e o loo sila sila ma whaafonga mai le tātou pulukalame le nei aso o loo ingoa o Imoasina elu o te sau mai mangiangi sala ilua ma sa hone.
Ma lor sau noa. Imoasina, our first question is, you were in the front line with our doctors and nurses supporting our families through language. Tell us, what was that like?
First and foremost, I do want to give God the almost praise, because if it wasn't for His love, His care, His comfort and His guidance, we wouldn't be able to see the end of Delta. My experience working as an interpreter, Samoan interpreter for our community, for our fathers, our mothers, our brothers, our sisters, our children, it was an honor. That word doesn't come lightly. It was an honor because this is our way to give service back to our community. It was a privilege.
Malo lava Imoasina. Our last question is, ole ase sauta ua lava na e maua from this whole COVID experience?
That is a magical question. Se sauta ua o mawaina mai le neko viti. First thing is treasuring our language, lingangana. You have no idea how powerful it is. We had many elderly who were in isolation. We had many youth, we had babies, infants. I want to focus on our elderly. A lot of them, there is disconnection because of the language barrier. This was a great opportunity to bridge the gap, to be able to encourage, to support, to be that comfort for our elderly that were in isolation. We are a collective community. We are loving. We lead with our hearts. We have humility, but it's very hard to be isolated away from your family and away from your loved ones. So a lesson learned and something that I take away from this experience is treasure your language, treasure your quality time, treasure your family, treasure your parents, your siblings, your children. This life is short. You have to treasure what we have here.
There you have it, Tupulanga, a beautiful summary of Imoasina's journey and her heart of service that we are so very grateful for. Malo lovely tautua Imoasina.
Whaftai atu fo'i mo le nei avanoa. Le avanoa whaauro o tuuina mai le nei pulukalame mata ngō fie. Ia o se lui tau mo Tupulanga lana waoa tātou atu nuu. Whataua longa ngana. Ia e alofa I le isi. Ma ia e usi tai ma whaanongo I o mātua. Ai whaamuamua pia le atua. Ia wana uma. Ani whaanua ni te.